forget to subscribe and share.
Hi friends, this week let's look at something fun. Yes, 3D printing. It's super fun and very useful to have 3D print at home. Creality Ender 3 Pro is the printer I got, and it's around $200. It's indeed a very nice and easy to use printer without too much of complicated settings. However, I had to get support to assemble and level the bed from an adapter. See how cool and fine these prints are? Quality of the filament matters too. The black filament I ordered separately from Creality is not that great compared to the original white filament I received with the printer. Okay, today I'll show you how to design your own 3D objects and how to print them. Let's get started. The tool I'm using to design 3D objects is called Tinkercad. It's a free online tool that anyone can use. First, you need to create an account. It is a very simple process. Then you start by clicking on Create New Design button. It will take you to an empty project. Let's start by giving a name to our project. I am going to design a pendant for my friend. You have to design your object using the shapes provided by Tinkercad. There are many to choose from. I am going to start with a heart shape. You can switch to different views as needed. Placing a ruler on the work plane will help you to see dimensions of the selected objects easily. I will resize the heart shape to around 20 mm. I need this to be 3 mm tall. Then I need a loop so I can fit this to a necklace. I'll pick the best shape that fits my needs. It is important to switch between different views to properly adjust the size and position it correctly. Once you are happy with that, select both objects and group them to make a single object. We can also import any artworks from SVG files. I'll import a unicorn image so I can emboss it on the pendant. Resize and position as you need and then adjust the height of the shape. Then I am going to engrave the name of my friend on the pendant. I use text shape and change it as I need. First, I'll group the unicorn and the pendant together. Because I need the text to be engraved, I had to make it a hole by selecting the hole shape type. Then all I had to do is group the pendant and text together. It will cut out the overlapping area and create a beautiful engraving on the heart. Then make sure everything is as you designed by rotating around. If you are happy, export the design in STL format. The next step is slicing. I'll be using a software called Cura for this. This step is important for printing. The slicer will take the 3D object and convert it into layers so the printer can understand. I am going to select a very fine print quality for this because it is a very small object. When we click on slice, the slicer will slice it and show us the information. We can preview how each layer is going to be printed by the printer. Make sure it has all the details you placed on the object. If everything is okay, click on Save. It will create a G-code file that the printer can understand. I copied the G-code file to the SD card and plugged it into the printer. Let's start the print. This is the first time I am printing something this small. Not sure how the quality will be. Let's find out. The print is around 15 minutes long and these are some time-lapse videos. It's done. Not the quality I expected, but not bad at all. I guess the size was too small to get the finer details printed nicely. Well, that's it for today. I'll see you in a new video next week. Bye bye.
Please subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscribe button and click the bell icon. It will help me continue creating videos like this in the future.